Hi, I'm Kathy from Remax Anchor. I've gathered a few exterior tips and tricks to help you get the very most for your home in any market. Here are some helpful tips that will surely catch the eye of buyers as they view your home from the street. Ready, set, go. First, since buyers will start by looking at your home from their cars or online, let's do a walk around on the exterior and see what can be improved for a look that will spark a buyer's attention. To start, take a look at your mailbox. If it is faded, broken, leaning, replace it. There are some great designs available on Amazon or at one of the big box stores. Make sure to hang an address plate, or nail numbers to the post. Lay bit of rock or mulch at the base. Add some flowers to make it extra awesome. Next is the condition of the driveway and front sidewalks or walkways leading to the garage or backyard. Power wash with a concrete cleaner to get all mold and dirt removed and bring them back to a clean surface. Make them Disneyland clean. Next, let's talk about a power move, and that's your front door. Clean the entire door up from cobwebs and dirt. Take a step back and choose a dynamic paint color for the front door that has presence from the street and still coordinates with the interior of the home. Upgrade and replace the door handle for extra pizzazz, and add a beautiful wreath and some decor to give a welcome feel. Upgrade the outdoor lights beside the front, side and back doors. It makes a big difference. Now, let's take a look at the windows. If there is peeling paint, a good scraping and repainting will not only beautify, but will be necessary. Then a good cleaning of the windows will polish the look. Take a good look at the yard and landscaping from the street. Make sure the grass edging is crisply edged next to the driveway and sidewalks. The beds should be tidied up and not overrun with weeds or overgrown shrubs or plants. If necessary, remulch, or re-rock, in the beds to freshen them up. Make sure all landscaping lights are working correctly. If you do not have landscaping lights, add a few solar flood lights and you will certainly see a big difference. I promise you, the competition isn't doing that, and buyers love seeing their possible new home lit up at night. Also, please tuck away the garbage cans and any yard equipment in garage space. Don't ignore your backyard or lanai, as these spaces are another place to gather. Consider buying new seat cushions, plants, decor, and lighting for a beautiful outdoor living area. There, you just improved your home by a few $1,000s just by updating, upgrading and presenting your home's exterior to its best. Doesn't it look terrific? Reach out to me anytime if you need ideas to help with this stage. I'm happy to stop by and give you my professional opinion.